Hey guys, it's me, Kawaii Crafty, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a really easy aesthetic painting. If you guys can't paint clouds like I can't, then just skip painting the clouds because it's going to ruin your entire painting. And if you guys are new to my channel, I'm Kawaii Crafty. I make lots of art and craft videos like these, so if you're interested, consider subscribing and join the Kawaii family. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to be using white, violet, Mars black, and brilliant blue acrylic paint. The brushes I'll be using are 2 flat brushes, an angled brush, a fan brush, and a natural bristle 1-inch brush. I'll be using 2 cups of water to clean off my brushes, a palette, some paper, and of course a canvas. I'm going to start by taking off the plastic wrapper on my canvas. Now I'm going to start putting my paints on my palette. Now we can start painting, so I'm going to grab my 3/4 inch flat brush. I'm just going to dampen it by putting in some water and then wiping it off. And I'm going to grab the violet, nothing done to it, and I'm going to apply it to the top of the canvas. I'm going to paint about 1 inch of this regular violet paint. And once I finish doing that, I'm going to grab just a bit of white and I'm going to mix it, making the violet slightly lighter. And I'm going to paint another inch of this. And you're just going to keep repeating this over and over again, adding more white as you go down. Once you're finished, it should look something like this, and now you have to wait for this to dry. So once it's finished drying, I'm going to grab a natural bristle brush, dip it in some white paint, and I'm going to paint some clouds. And I can't paint clouds, so if you can't paint clouds like me, just please skip this step because you're probably going to mess up your painting like I did, and yeah. As you can see here, I'm putting some paint on my fingers and I'm going to just highlight the clouds with some more white paint, and I completely messed up my painting by then, so oops. And as you can see here, I added some blue paint, but I don't really like it. Once you finish painting your clouds, you're going to take your palette, mix a bit of Mars black with your brilliant blue to make a nice navy blue. So I'm going to take my angled brush and I'm going to dip it in the navy blue, and I'm going to start painting the power lines. So just try to paint your line as straight as possible. Mine is not very straight because my hand shakes too much. And as you're painting your power lines, the next one should be just slightly shorter because it's getting further and further away from you, so it's gonna get shorter and shorter, as you can see here. And once you finish painting the body of the power lines, you're going to paint the cross. I'm going to be painting one large cross arm at the bottom and another small one at the top, and I'm just going to do that for the other ones. Once you finish painting the body of the power lines, you're going to add small dots on top of the arms, because that's where the, what do we call those again? Wires are going to connect to. And now we're going to grab some more navy blue paint, and I accidentally connected the wrong dots, and then I realized I was like, oops, the wrong one, so then I ended up messing up right there. And then I made this line too thick, as you can see, but that's okay. So now I'm going to grab my fan brush and dip it in some navy blue paint, and then I'm going to start painting some trees, or just leafy trees. And I'm just going to wave in circular motions, as you can see here. So I'm going to grab a flat brush and I'm going to continue painting some navy blue on the trees. I don't really know what I painted right here. You can make them trees or bushes, whatever you want. Here's the final product, and now you have to wait for it to dry. So this is what it looks like. I don't really like how I painted the clouds or the power lines, but you guys can probably do a better job than I did. So if you guys did like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down. Please let me know how you feel. And if you have any feedback, comments, or suggestions, make sure to do so in the comment section down below. And if you are new, as I have said in the beginning of this video, consider subscribing to join the kawaii family. And don't forget to also click post notifications once you subscribe, so you are notified when I post another video. Is it post notifications? I think that's post notifications. Anyways, I hope to see you guys in my next video, and don't forget to be kind and be kawaii. Bye!